Reef fishing is a popular activity in the Maldives, given its abundance of vibrant coral reefs and diverse marine life. However, it's important to note that the Maldives government has implemented strict regulations to ensure the sustainability and protection of their fragile marine ecosystem. Remember, the primary objective of reef fishing in the Maldives is to appreciate the marine environment and its biodiversity while ensuring its long-term conservation. Always prioritize sustainability, respect local regulations, and follow the guidance provided by experienced professionals.